So once you have your exploded view, we can go in here and if we go here, we're going to go to drawing. And we're going to go to drawing from animation. B-size sheet should be fine. And this is where if you capitalized everything, your life will be easier. And if you didn't, that's okay too. We can fix it in here. Okay, so T9 car, there's our assembly. It looks great. I'm going to put in there, the scale looks fine at 1/4. It's not too crazy. I would like it shaded, so I'm going to come back in and throw the shade on there. And then I'm going to do a base drawing. And we could do this however we kind of want. Typically, we would do the isometric. I kind of like putting that down there, though. Doesn't that look good? Like, no reason for it. I just kind of like having it there. But yeah, what I was coming in here for is I wanted not that one. Which corner isometric? Northeast? Wanted the northeast corner isometric in there. Maybe up here, maybe like 1/2 inch. Right there. Get that in there. Let's shade that too. I'm going to remove this now because it's just silliness. We really probably wouldn't have that. Let's see if we can get this in here at 1/2 scale, how humongous that might be. I think we can make it work. So I'm gonna hit close and we're gonna make it work. I think we can get this in here with the parts list. I want the parts list from that. Let's see if I can get in the bottom corner. I hate when it does it this way. I want the table to go down. I don't want description. Okay, that's better. And I've got an issue with the table from making the sub-assembly. So I'm going to change it to all levels because then it'll show that and things what they are. And hit close. Oof. I'm going to have to hit the move tool. Move. I want to move this. I want to move here to here. There we go. Hey, and what did this do? So we have the tire assembly, which is 6, and you see it creates like a 6-1, a 6-2, and a 6-3. 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, showing that it's all part of the assembly. I have to just come in here and clean this all up and make it look better, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. But it is nice to have the assembly, and it shows like everything in that sub-assembly is like 6-1, 6-2, or 6-3, which I kind of like. I think that's a good look and a good way to do it. Okay, so like I'm trying to do some of these so they're not going through the pieces because obviously we do not want that. Like I could get this down here without getting interference. Ooh. Right there, that's fine. This is okay, but it can move in closer. Actually, it might be better over here. It's not interfering with anything. And, you know, just ever striving to keep things neat and orderly as possible. So there we go. Your fully exploded T9 car, everything all capitalized. It's okay to have the tire assembly line in there for 6 because we have the sub-assembly drop down here. These are all the materials we should have. So everything for your material analysis should be right here. And after you do this drawing, you would submit this, and with this we do the material analysis. So you shouldn't do that until you're all done, and all your materials should match what is in here. So like acrylic clear, wood, oak, 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 ABS, plastic, aluminum, and rubber. So that is it. You know, I do hate this, so I always have to come in here and just fix this up, as I'm sure you do too. But I usually don't knock you on that one. Okay. So there we go. That is what I will be expecting from you. Good luck.